So one of my biggest pet peeves, and this was from one of my mentors, who she's an amazing cardiologist, who I think so highly of. She taught me never to monitor a heart murmur. And so I think that there is this, I think it's getting better, but there was kind of an older set of mind or thinking, set of thinking that we are like going to monitor a heart murmur. And unfortunately, I always tell the technicians, what are we monitoring for, right? Like we can't necessarily listen to a murmur and say, okay, yes, we can grade it, but we can't say the extent of cardiac disease without truly having an echocardiogram with a cardiologist. And so usually what I tell owners is, I never am going to talk poorly about the referring practitioner, but I'm like, okay, well, your dog, I hear today it does have a heart murmur. And they're like, oh, yeah, they said to monitor. At that point, I'm just going to say, well, I would recommend getting this seen by a cardiologist. And so the reason I say that is the trends that I've seen are there's a lot of cases that will come in that are in congestive heart failure, and they've been having a murmur for 3, 4, 5 years. And a lot of times it's cats. And they are coming in and they are like, oh, yeah, well, we were monitoring the heart murmur. And in my opinion, and also what I've been taught by the cardiologist is, we can get these cats and dogs on medications that hopefully are going to prolong their life, and we're not having to put them in oxygen therapy and things like that. So that's one of the biggest things that I see that through come through ER, which don't mind managing them, but it's just something that I've seen.